Understanding the phrase, no room for doubt. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, no room for doubt. This phrase is often used in English conversations, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. No room for doubt is an idiomatic expression in English. It's used to convey that there is absolute certainty about something, leaving no possibility of doubt or question. The word, room, in this context refers to space, so the phrase literally means there is no space available for doubt. It's often used in situations where something is considered to be completely true or certain. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. In a courtroom, the evidence presented by the prosecution left no room for doubt about the defendant's guilt. 2. In science, the experiment's results left no room for doubt about the new theory's validity. 3. In everyday life, after seeing the video footage, there was no room for doubt that it was a sunny day. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts to express complete certainty. When using no room for doubt, it's important to ensure that the situation really does warrant such certainty. It shouldn't be used for opinions or when there's a possibility of other viewpoints. For instance, saying, "There's no room for doubt that chocolate ice cream is the best," is not appropriate, as this is a matter of personal preference. Understanding phrases like, no room for doubt, can add depth to your English communication skills. It's a phrase that conveys certainty and decisiveness, and now that you know how to use it correctly, you can confidently include it in your conversations. We hope this video has been informative and engaging. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.